Hi, for this vlog, I would like to talk about a time when I faced workplace aggression. Back in my high school days, I used to work as a cashier in a grocery store. On one occasion, there is an item that wasn't priced properly in our system. So the customer became frustrated at the checkout table due to the price discrepancy and became very angry due to the frustration, which is a result of the frustration aggression theory by Dollard. The customer began bad-mouthing me for not doing my job properly, and since I cannot yell back at my customers, so I decided to apologize for my mistakes, which causes the customer to become even more cocky and decide to yell at me even more, which is similar to the victim precipitation model by Kim and Gloom. I, as the cashier, is shown as a victim, while the customer is shown as a perpetrator who wants to escalate the situation further. The situation became heated, and soon it got out of hand, so I had to call my manager over to resolve the crisis. The manager clarified some things with the customer by explaining how our pricing system works, and also recognized the error as well as apologizing to the customer for our mistakes and offer the customer a discount for the groceries paid today. I remember asking my manager why they let the customer off the hook instead of standing up for what's right. The manager replied, since we as retail workers hold a lower hierarchical status, what we can only do is to de-escalate the situation, is to apologize and try to reconcile with the customer, so that the customer will come back for our grocery products when they need it next time. So workplace aggression among retailers is very prevalent in our society. Personally, I believe this workplace aggression example may be one of the major reasons for an insanely high turnover rate. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there is a turnover rate of 60% seasonally adjusted turnover rate for retail employees. It means the status of retail workers are undervalued and thus receiving a harsh treatment from customers, which is a result of shortage of retail workers. This relates to this week's topic as the customer experienced frustration which became the source of anger. And as the situation escalates, the customer, who holds a higher status than the cashier, takes advantage of the situation, which was then resolved by the manager. Workplace aggression is a serious threat to the employee's overall well-being and should be studied extensively to prevent any misfortune that befalls onto the weak. Thank you for listening.